Hello everyone, Aladdin here from Meribook. In this video, let's discuss the different states of a book, chapter, and section. So in here you can see there are private books, public books, and archived books. By default, everything that you create is a private book, and you can change that permission to public if you like, and public books end up displaying on your profile. So let's go to the profile page, click on the account profile, and you'll see that our profile page looks like this. We can go update it later on, but for now, just wanted to show you what the profile page looks like when we don't have a public book. So now let's go back, and I'm gonna take this first book, I'm gonna edit, and we'll make that public and update. Just simple as that. Now, if I go back to my profile page and refresh, you'll see that this public book is now visible on my profile page. So right now I have two private books, one public book, and no archive. So let's take a look at this clone book. Let's say we want to archive it. And all you need to do is click on this archive option, and that will archive your book. And then from the archive, you would be able to delete the book if you wanted. You just archive the book. So now you have one private book, one public book, and one archive book. So at the book level, you can see there's three different options. Now, if we go back to our public book, and let's go into the detail, you can see that we have a couple of chapters here. This one has 3 sections, and this chapter has 2 sections. So let's say this chapter in general looks like this can be unpublished because it's not ready. So what we can do is we can just click on edit, and we can unpublish and update. So now this chapter has been unpublished. Let me go back up one level. There's my book, and you can see that I only have one published chapter and one unpublished chapter. Okay, and if I go to this unpublished chapter here, you'll see that we have 2 sections inside of it. So let me go back at the public books profile option to show you what is happening. As you can expect, this book, which we made public, is now visible, but now since we have the one chapter published, that's the only chapter that the public is able to see. So unpublished, the chapter and everything inside of that chapter, all the sections are gone. So again, at the book level, you can see that we have published, unpublished, and archive again. So in this case, we're talking about chapters, 2 chapters, one is published, one is unpublished, and there's no archive. And if we go further into a published chapter, you'll see that there's 3 sections here. Similar to the options that we have for book and chapter level, we can edit a section. Let's say we want to unpublish this. So let's unpublish this section, save. And you can see that this section over here gives you an indicator that this is unpublished. Let's go up one level at the chapter, and you'll see that we have 2 published items and 1 unpublished item. And if you would like to archive this unpublished item, you do the same. You can just click on the archive, and that goes into the archive section. And then again, you can delete anything that you've archived later on. So this should help you get started creating your content and organizing your content. In our future videos, we'll discuss permissions and share links. Talk to you later. Bye.